Hello again, it's Georgia Workers' Compensation Attorney Jack Clay. And today I want to talk to you about what happens when your workers' compensation checks are late. We get a lot of these phone calls. In fact, it's one of the most frequent phone calls we get in my office. Clients asking us questions such as, why is my check late and why wasn't it sent on time? I'm here to give you some advice and to help you through this situation if this is you. Thanks for joining me. First, the law speaks clearly about when and how you're supposed to receive your check. In Georgia, workers' compensation checks are supposed to be sent out to you on a weekly basis if you're getting temporary total disability. What often happens is these checks are coming from an out-of-state insurance company, they come late or they don't arrive at all. Second, it is important for you to keep copies of your checks, stubs, and envelopes for us to use as evidence. Oftentimes the insurance companies don't keep copies of their checks and envelopes, or it's hard to get them from them in the course of litigation. So the best advice that I can give clients in order for us to make a case if your checks are habitually late is to keep copies of those things that they send to you. Third, we handle late check issues by taking action. When we get the phone calls from our clients and the workers' compensation checks are late, there's a process that goes into motion involving phone calls, letters, and if that doesn't work, we file a motion or ask for the court to intervene, or the judge basically to tell the other side to send the checks on time. Sometimes this can take some time and sometimes it can be done rather quickly, but we ask our clients to bear with us, as oftentimes it takes a few days to get these issues resolved. Fourth, the law imposes penalties on the insurance company for not sending checks in accordance with the law. The basic penalty under the workers' compensation statute is that you get a 15% penalty for not sending a check on time. However, we can ask for attorney's fees if it's a bad or habitual case and they don't send your checks on time, and we can build a case for that. If you or a loved one has been injured in a Georgia workers' compensation case and you're not getting your checks on time, or if you have questions about your case in general, we're here to help you. We've been practicing workers' compensation law for many years and handled hundreds of cases. We're conveniently located across the street from the courthouse, and we offer free consultations. Thank you for joining me.